Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Cook Some More. It's very early in the morning, so I'm making it probably before people are gonna eat it, but we're making mini bundt cakes. Stay tuned. So let's get into it. So today's episode is brought to you by, just kidding, because I don't have any sponsorships yet. But I think this could be the beginning of a very beautiful partnership. So Nostalgia, I guess, is the brand, and they have this mini lava. Mini lava slash bundt cake maker. You can make monkey bread, lava bundt cake, angel food cakes, muffins. It's V cute. This cost me $9 at Walmart, y'all. So we'll do a little unboxing. So I got the directions. Ooh, already ripping it. And pretty small, actually. I didn't know it was this tiny. It's cute. Okay, got your cord. Okay. And then you have like the side that gives the dents and whatever. You can cook 3 at a time. They had one for like a waffle maker and other stuff too, but Nostalgia, if you're listening, I would love to partner and make more stuff with your kitchen products. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with making the batter, and then I'm gonna make a few of these bad boys. So we are going to do 1.5 cups of flour. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Oh shoot. A teaspoon of the baking powder. And then we're gonna do like 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I completely missed the thing. So now we have 1.5 sticks of flour. And then we're going to do 1 cup of sugar. This is a little less than 1 cup, so we're gonna add a little teensy bit more. And then we are going to mix this together before we add in the eggs. Now we are going to pour in some vanilla. It's probably more than we needed. And we're gonna add in, we like to use silk milk, you know, but we only need 1/2 cup, and we have a little less than that. Literally a swig. So we're gonna add in some more of this. 1/2 cup of milk. Ooh, actually, we need to put like half of this in there. And then we're gonna put in some of the milk. We're gonna put the rest of the dry ingredients in. And then we are going to put in the rest of our milk. All right, guys, the light, as you can see, turned on, which means it's preheated. It's really warm, so we're just gonna open it on up. We did oil it, and we're going to just, I don't even know how you fill these. Like, I think you just, and it says to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, be right back. Okay, we are going to try and open. Oh, those are pretty cute. Oh, oh my gosh, so cute. But are they cooked fully is the question. They kind of smell like pancakes. How cute they turned out. Wow. We are going to make our glaze now, and we're gonna do 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then for milk, we need a couple tablespoons. So we're gonna eyeball this. That's probably like the 2 tablespoons. We need a dash of salt. See how it's already cooking down? And then we need some vanilla. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little. Some vanilla. And this is how you make a glaze in case you've never done it before. You just need powdered sugar, milk, and then whatever flavor. And I just wanted to show you all the process for when you're actually letting these bake. You can see how the machine opens up a little bit as they're rising, so that's the baking powder. And they're getting nice and fluffy. If you want them to be less dense and more fluffy, make sure you cook them for a shorter amount of time. I just wanted to show you guys we have a good amount done, and now I have it kind of nailed down the color. But if you look at what I was doing before, I was lining them up for time difference. So this is from lightest to darkest, and then I go back to light because I wanted to see, you know, what texture is best. But anyways, I'm gonna start building out our little shaping. So I finished stacking them. This is what they look like. Obviously it's not the best, but it's pretty cool, I think. So yeah, this is what they look like. Okay, so now we are going to take our glaze and put it on top. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the glaze on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really liquidy right now. Alright guys, so these were our bundt cakes. Thank you so much for watching. Super delicious. You can also do powdered sugar if you want. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you try out the recipe or if you have one that you think I should try out. Also let me know if you buy this product. It was really cheap where I found it. Maybe it's not everywhere, but let me know if you have other products by this brand. But thanks for watching everybody. Enjoy.